Sanitation of our airplanes is so important to United Airlines. The electrostatic sprayer is absolutely the best way to efficiently cover all surfaces of the airplane.
This technology is extremely effective. What it's trying to do is seek out everything in the opposite charged environment. So it's not falling on the floor, it's wrapping itself around every surface on the aircraft.
It allows us to get the disinfectant down into all the nooks and crannies of an airplane. I want to make sure that our customers and our employees feel safe on our airplanes. We are doing everything we can for them.